So hello students, welcome to this video, and this is sixth part or the final part of chapter Climate of India. Okay, and students, before starting this video, let me tell you students, you have to learn all these MCQs, and as well as you have to go through the books. You have to learn everything from your chapter. Okay, so I hope you understand the things and you will learn these MCQs whatever I am giving, and as well as you will go through your chapters. Okay, so students, without wasting our time, let's get started. So first question here students, whenever temperature crosses blanks, convectional rainfall occurs. Okay, so whenever temperature crosses blanks, convectional rainfall occurs. So first option 30 degrees Celsius to 32 degrees Celsius. Second option 22 degrees Celsius to 34 degrees Celsius. Third option 42 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. And fourth option 72 degrees Celsius to 82 degrees Celsius. So students, from these four options, which option is correct? So students, let me tell you, your correct option is option number 3, that is 42 degrees Celsius to 43 degrees Celsius. Okay, now students, we are moving to the next question, that is question number 2. These regions face drought conditions. Okay, so four options are here: northwestern Rajasthan and rain shadow area of Deccan Plateau, first option. Second option, western part of Karnataka and Kerala. Third option, Punjab and Haryana. And fourth option, northeastern states. So students, from these four options, which option is correct? Which regions face drought conditions? Okay, so here first option, that is northwestern Rajasthan and rain shadow area of Deccan Plateau. Okay, you understand the meaning of drought, right? Drought means इन हिंदी सूखा पड़ जाना, यानी कि बिल्कुल बारिश नहीं होना, सूखा पड़ जाना. तो ये कहाँ पर होता है बच्चों? नॉर्थ वेस्ट राजस्थान पर, और उसके अलावा रेन शेडो एरिया, जो डेक्कन प्लेट्यू के रेन शेडो एरिया है, वहाँ पर ड्रॉट का कंडीशंस बनते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ इंडियन रेनफॉल इज, ओके, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इट इज ओरोग्राफिक रेनफॉल. सेकेंड ऑप्शन convectional rainfall. Third option cyclonic rainfall. And fourth option all of these. Okay, so students, here first, second, third, all these three types of rainfalls are there in India. Okay, but which rainfall is occurred in most? Okay, so that is the question here. So your correct option is, that is orographic rainfall. It means rainfall by relief features. Okay, now students, question number 4. Most of the agricultural area of India are depend on monsoon. First option, depend on irrigational channels. Third, depends on sprinkling irrigation system. Fourth option, depends on drip irrigation system. Okay, so here four options are here. So most of the agricultural areas of India are depends on monsoon, depends on monsoon. Okay, so this is the correct option. Now question number 5. When does northeast monsoon wind blow? First option March to May. Second option June to August. Third option October to December. And fourth option all of these. So when does northeast monsoon blow? Okay, it blows during the month of October to, it means from October to December. So third option is the correct option. Students, next question, question number 6. But before going to the question number 6, let me tell you students, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this and press the bell icon so that you can get all the videos on time. Okay, so just go and subscribe it and show your love to us. Okay, so your question number 6, which one from these brings monsoon during winter? First option Kal Baisakhi. Second option Loo. Third option mango showers. Fourth option western disturbances. So from these four options, which option is correct? It means which brings monsoon during winter. Okay, it means rainfall during winter, not monsoon, rainfall during winter. So that is western disturbances. Okay, so correct option is western disturbances. Now students, let us move to the next question. Question number 7. October heat refers to first, climatic conditions of October is neither too hot nor too cold. Second option, climatic condition of October is it not written, okay, typing mistake, hot and uncomfortable. Third option, decreasing of heat during October, or fourth option, none of these. So students, October heat refers to climatic conditions of October is hot and uncomfortable. Okay, so this is the correct option. Now next question, question number 8. Which period is considered as transition period? Okay, so first option October and November, second option March and April, third option August and September, and fourth option December and January. Period of transition, it means period which is neither winter nor summer. So your correct option is, students, that is first option, that is October and November is considered as transition period. Okay, now students, question number 9. The Rabi crops grown in first option summer season, second option winter season, third option spring season, and fourth option autumn season. So students, the Rabi crops are grown in. Now students, let us move to the next question, that is question number 9. So the Rabi crops are grown in, okay, R is not written, typing mistake. So the Rabi crops are grown in first option summer, second option winter, third option spring, fourth option autumn. So students, which is the correct option? Your correct option is option number 2, that is winter. Now students, we are moving to the next question, and that is question number 10, and this will be the final questions from this video and from the chapter also. Okay, so your question is, in which place western disturbances does not bring rainfall? Okay, so in which place western disturbances which is blown during winter season does not bring rain? Okay, so first option Punjab, second option Haryana, third option Uttarakhand, and fourth option Kerala. So students, in Punjab also, in Haryana also, in Uttarakhand also, western disturbances bring rainfall, but in Kerala western disturbances does not bring rainfall, or do not bring rainfall. So your correct option is option number 4, that is Kerala. Okay, so students, this much from in this video. So we have completed whole chapter, that is climate of India, but you have to read your chapter, you have to go through your chapter, and you have to learn from your chapter also. So students, we will meet in another video and with new chapter, that is chapter number 5, that is the soil resources in India.